Well, I hope I don't regret this a little later. A lot of buildup in that direction, and I've seen lightning, quite a bit of lightning, but it's supposed to blow on by. I'm going to trust the weatherman this morning, and but I want to keep a wary eye on that. We have a really strong wind blowing out of the southwest, so I'm going to go around the other side of this island here, and I'll be a little protected from the wind. When you're fishing in the wind, it takes away a lot of your casting because you're always adjusting. And very hard to control your kayak in the wind unless you're anchored. I'm not going to be able to fish on that side at all. Just be too rough. There we go. No, missed him. Or did I? I swear. Like the sound of that. Nice trout. I don't think he's quite big enough though. He doesn't look like he's 15 inches. Whoa, that was a big fish. Probably gone now. But maybe he has a friend. Oh man, he hit it and came this way so fast that I couldn't keep up with him. Well, let's see if we can bring up something with top water. Try the shoreline first. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice trout. Come on. Well, he's just barely hooked. So if he gets off, it's okay. But he does look like a keeper. Yep. Thank you. That's okay. Probably would not have kept him anyway. Well, I'm hearing thunder again. I'm hoping those clouds are going that way because I can see it's raining up there out of them. Got my rain jacket, but don't want anything to do with lightning. Well, I think that's a redfish right there. Pretty sure it is. Oh, I got something anyway. Trout, which I am just pulling right in. Oh, see if I can get this without getting hooked. Ooh, that was close. Okay, that was even better. All right, I'm probably drifted past that redfish. He was moving right along the edge of the grass there. Something behind it. Come on. There was a fish following that thing. Must have been really small. I think all that is moving that way because there's nothing over this way. That's what it looked like on radar. So I'm gonna hang for a little while. I've had some sprinkles every now and then, but nothing major. Well, guys, the wind seems to be dying down. I know it looks really bad, but I think it's all going to blow by me, so I'm going to try to fish the other side for a little bit. But, ease on over there and see if we can catch something. I'd like to have a nice redfish. Well, there's got to be a redfish somewhere along this shoreline. That just looks too good. Well, let's try trout water. Whoa. Oh, he's running in a hurry. He's got lots of energy. He's not that big either. Oh. I'm not even going to measure you, buddy. Thank you very much. Now, to get my lure out of this net, oh, come on, get it, get it. Try again, try again. Well, does that ever get your blood to go in? I made a mistake there. You should never stop the lure. When you miss a strike like that, just keep it going or speed it up. Well, guys, I need to call it a day. The wind has picked up considerably, and every now and then I'll get a gust that's probably 15 to 20 miles an hour, and it's supposed to just pick up as the day goes on. So I've had a good day. Caught a few fish. Hadn't fished as long as I wanted to. I wanted to fish about 4 hours. It's only a little over 3 hours right now. So anyway, thanks for watching if you're still with me, and we'll see you on the next one.